There are demons lurking here. Don't be afraid. Just keep moving forward. The entrance of the mountain was covered in wisteria. It was beautiful and completely different from here. What a strange place. Excuse me. There are scents coming from all directions now. Fear, adrenaline, and demons.
Haven't tasted human flesh in forever!
2 already. Will I be able to take them on? Up you go!
How dare you! Bastards faster than I thought!
I can see the demons' movements. And if I can see their movements, I can take them down no problem. I can do this. I know I can!
My mouth's watering!
That was nothing! The opening thread! Another one! Let's try that again! Up you go!
What the hell's up with this guy? He's super strong!
Now I can fight back! Here we go. I just have to cut off their head! Now's my chance! I did it. I killed demons. I'm getting stronger. I can feel it. So my training wasn't for nothing. I did master it. Rest in peace. All right, time to move on. I can't go any further. I'll have to find a different way. What's that awful smell? Just stay calm and watch their movements. I have to do is remember my training. Water wheel! No way! That was nothing! Water wheel! Water wheel! That's it! The opening thread! Hey, are you okay?
What the hell was that?
Was it a demon? He doesn't look too badly hurt.
Some weirdo came out of nowhere and attacked me. He was shouting about something, but I couldn't tell what.
He's right. There's a strange smell in the air. It isn't a demon. It smells similar to a human, but also like an animal? What the?
Bull rush!
What? That man with the strange scent is somewhere on this mountain. Gotta stay alert. I smell blood. Here it comes! Waterfall basin! Let's try that again! Waterfall basin! Come at me! Whirlpool! Hold it! I'm coming after you! Water wheel! Water wheel! No way! That was nothing! You're mine! There's the thread! Another participant. He seems awfully nervous about something.
What the hell was that? Oh crap, had to be just the wind, right? Seriously, enough already! Much more of that and my heart's gonna pop right out of my mouth!
Now he's just getting mad at the wind.
Pitch dark and filled with demons. Just what kind of place is this? Why did I even have to come to this thing? I said I didn't want to. I know that sound! There's a demon around here! Oh man, just leave me alone, okay? Get me out of here!
I think that was just the wind. There are so many kinds of people here. This tree was knocked over. I can use this. Let's try that again! You're mine! I can smell it! The opening thread! The demon's scent is growing stronger. My heart's beating faster. The pressure around here must be getting heavier. Don't lose focus. Concentrate. Come on, get a grip, Tanjiro! What the? I can smell blood up ahead. I wonder what happened. Are these handprints? They're so big. All the trees around here have been knocked over too. Huh? The smell's getting stronger. I must be getting close.
Oh, perfect! Another snack has wandered my way. Even better. It's one of my sweet little fox cubs.
It's humongous!
Say, Fox Cub, what year of the Meiji era is it?
It's the Taisho period.
Taisho? Already? We have passed into a new period! And still, I'm stuck inside this Wisteria prison! Unforgivable! Unforgivable! Damn you, Urokodaki! Damn you, damn you, damn you!
You know Urokodaki?
Of course I do! Urokodaki's the one who captured and brought me here! I promised myself I'd kill every single one of them! You know, the ones who stood out to me the most were those two. The boy's hair was an unusual shade of pink, a scar by his mouth. He was the most powerful of the lot. The other was a girl who wore a flowery kimono. Small, not much power, but awfully agile.
Could it be? Those two were killed by this demon? But how? I trained with them.
Your mask. That's what gives you away as one of Urokodaki's brats. Easy to spot the texture of one of the masks he's carved. He calls them warning masks, right? Except that's how I pick out who to eat. They're all inside my belly. It's as if he guided them to their deaths. When I told the girl, she started crying.
You were the one that killed Sabito and Makomo!
If you're going to blame someone...
This isn't just for Sabito and Makomo! I'm going to avenge everyone! There!
Not good enough. I'll devour you! demon! Get crushed! Yeah! He jumped! Damn it, how did he know? No matter. He won't be able to dodge an attack. Mid-air! He deflected it!
Total concentration! Water breathing!
Not to worry. My neck is tough. He can't cut through it!
First form! Water surface slash!
No! No, no! My body's falling apart! It's disappearing, and I can't stop it! Damn it! I'm afraid to close my eyes! Oh, the face of this demon slayer's the last thing I'm ever going to see!
What a sad scent. Kodaki. Only 4 of us? We started with over 20.
I'm gonna die. I'm done for. I've survived for now, but soon enough, dead.
Welcome back, everyone. And congratulations. We are pleased to see you're safe.
So? I made it back alive. What do I do now? Where's my sword?
Patience. We must first issue you all uniforms. We will first take your measurements, and then you will be imprinted with your rank.
There are 10 ranks in all, from Kinoe to Mizunoto.
You all start at Mizunoto. This is the lowest rank in the Demon Slayer Corps.
And our swords?
In a moment, you will be given the chance to select the ore that will be used to forge your swords. Your weapons will be ready for you 10 to 15 days later.
But first...
Now that you're Demon Slayers, you must each be assigned your own Kasugai Crow. The Kasugai Crows are primarily used to facilitate communication.
Wait, crows? Isn't this a sparrow?
Who the hell cares about some stupid crow? I want my sword right now. Give it to me before I get angry. The color-changing katana. I want it now, do you hear me?
Stop that! Take your hands off her, or I'll break your arm. Now!
Huh? Who the hell are you? Give it your best shot. You little...
Are you finished chatting with each other? Now, the time has come. Please select an ore to use for your sword. The steel you will use to protect yourself and to annihilate countless demons will be that of your own choosing.
I'm gonna be dead soon anyway. Probably.
They want us to choose, but how are we supposed to know which one to pick?
I don't have a damn clue.
Really? 5 of them were able to survive. That's excellent. The number of my children continues to grow. What kinds of swordsmen will they be?
Just when I thought I could finally go back, my body is aching. The fatigue is hitting me all at once. Nezuko. Kodaki. Nezuko! It's you.